Today we're taking a look at the new LTX ControlNet video workflow. This workflow lets you change the very first frame of a video while using the original video to drive the motion. Instead of generating an entirely new animation, it preserves the movement, timing, and camera motion from the source video while transforming the appearance based on your new first frame. This makes it incredibly useful for style transfers, character replacement, and consistent video edits, all while maintaining the natural motion of the original footage. Let's jump in and see how it works. First, load your video. That's it. No switching between editors, no complicated workflow, just load the video. You can see the video is loaded. Now imagine this is the frame you want to edit. In the Edit Frame prompt, simply describe the changes you want. FluxCline extracts the first frame from the video and applies your edits to it. That edited frame is then used as the ControlNet reference, while the original video drives all the motion for the rest of the sequence. All the green nodes are user input nodes. Whenever you see a green node, you can change the settings or enter your own values. You can change the output video resolution here. This switch lets you choose whether to use the original video's audio or generate the video without sound. If the source video doesn't contain audio, enabling it can sometimes cause an error, so simply switch it off. The models are loaded in this section. Finally, the workflow runs a second upscaling pass to enhance the video with additional detail before the final output. The workflow uses both depth and canny ControlNet models for better accuracy. I recommend keeping both enabled, but you can adjust their strength here to control how closely the output follows the original video. If needed, you can also disable one and use either depth or canny on its own. I thought this was a quick and interesting way to create AI videos. It actually reminds me a lot of Beeble, where you can edit the look of a video while keeping the original motion. You can even replace the background using this method, making it great for green screen style edits without an actual green screen. That's all for today. I hope you enjoy the workflow, and I'll see you in the next one.